Hi, my name is Sophie Summers, and as always, welcome to the Crossdressing Lifestyle channel. December is coming to a close, which brings the festive season that little bit closer every day. And in our household, we're kind of gearing up for it, as you can probably see. Now, it's also a great opportunity to break out those lovely long frocks, particularly the red ones, to enjoy the party season. So I've been trying on a couple just to remind myself of exactly what I've got in my wardrobe. So I hope you like the little review.
Angels we have heard on high, sweetly singing o'er the plains, and the mountains in reply, echoing their joyous strains. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Come to Bethlehem and see Him whose birth the angels sing. Come adore on bended knee Christ the Lord, the newborn King. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. See Him in a manger laid, Jesus, Lord of heaven and earth. Mary, Joseph, lend your aid. Sing with us our Savior's birth. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh, dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Well, thank you very much for staying right to the very end. Now, as 2023 draws to a close, we are certainly looking forward to 2024 on the channel. We hope to be producing a lot more videos and hopefully inspire one or two more people to take those first initial steps out. Just try to remember it's really only you that are stopping yourself from going out. So if we can give you a little bit more courage to take those first steps, that will be fantastic. Now, all that really remains is, if you haven't already joined the channel or subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so, because it's your support that keeps us going through these very turbulent times. So I wish you all a very, very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Hopefully we'll have a few more videos before the turn of the year, but if we don't, gear up and get ready for 2024. Bless you all. Stay safe. Stay gorgeous. Bye-bye.